We'll now take a look at computing a plant list from Geopak Landscape. And we'll do this through Design and Computation Manager. First thing we'll do is compute the quantities of the plants that we have on our site. We'll do that through the compute mode. Once we've computed the quantities, we can then export that to a plant list or create what we call a table and plot that in the file. In this particular case, I'm going to look for all plants, trees, shrubs, ground cover that I may have placed with the Area Landscape folder. So you simply just highlight the folder and add it to the collection list in the bottom of the dialog in Design and Computation Manager. So we're going to search in the active design file and compute the quantities. Now in the case of ground cover, it requires us to give it a spacing. So I'm going to give it a 2x2 spacing, triangle spacing for the plants, and it will compute a quantity. In this case, it computed 862 plants to cover that area. Now as far as the export, like I said, we have various ways of exporting the quantities to CSV files and standard report files in Geopak and so forth. Here we're going to use it to create a table and plot that table in the file. The table has various parameters that we can set. For instance, my table is, I'm going to have the quantity in column 1, the item name or tag in column 2, the description or common name in column 3. I'll create a column for genus, species, label, size label, and comment. Those 3 columns are reading ad hoc attributes that were placed on the item at the time of placement in the design file. And those ad hoc attributes are genus, size, and comment. You can also customize the symbology of your text. So for example, the column heading can be a certain color, style, weight, and size. And the actual list itself can be a different color, style, and weight and size. Column widths, to kind of expand the column widths from their text width, expand this particular one by 0.5 on either side, so allow for spacing in between columns. Also give it a plot scale so you can scale the text up or down based on that. I'll go ahead and place the quantity table into the file. And you can see here that based on my parameters, it's grabbed the quantity, the tag, the common name, the species, the size, and the comment.